Hello guys, my name is Kalila. Welcome to vlog number 11. In this video, surprisingly, I did the one thing I said I would not ever do, and it is I made a swatch. If you have seen my other videos, you know I always said I'm not making a swatch, I'm not ever making a swatch, and I made a swatch and it actually turned out pretty good, but I only made the swatch not to check the size of anything, but literally only to see how this yarn would block out, because I haven't used this yarn before, or hadn't used this yarn before, because at this point I have and I love it, and it's drops. You guys will see it later on in the video, but I blocked out this swatch just to see the drape and everything. And so when I actually got the yarn, because I used my sister's yarn and I got the same yarn, I was like, yeah, I like it. I like the way it blocked out, so I'm gonna get it. And it's actually Drops Extra Fine Merino, or Drops Merino Extra Fine. I forgot how it's labeled. You'll see literally right now how it's labeled. So Drops Merino Extra Fine. Yeah, and it's a superwash yarn, 100% merino wool superwash. I got this yarn because it's a gift. It's for a gift that I'm creating, a sweater gift that I'm creating. And I also got Drops Lima, as you saw, just for the tapestry part. It's not a superwash yarn, but that doesn't matter to me. Anyway, I started on this sweater and I wanted to do a different colored raglan sleeve, and I tried carrying the yarn all the way through the project because that was the only way to really get a nice color change. Oh my gosh, horrendous, okay? The texture of the sweater was just so bad. It was so tight, there was no drape, and of course I hadn't blocked it yet, but I just decided to get rid of it. I was almost halfway, I was a quarter through the yoke, so I wasn't too far into it. I just decided to start over. I got rid of it, started over, and I am so happy that I chose to do that because it just turned out so well. Now, to get the color change raglan sleeve, you guys will see later on in the video what I mean by the color changing. So I want the sleeves to be different and the body to be different colors. And like I said before, I tried carrying the yarn, that didn't work. So this time I actually decided to cut the yarn and not carry it through so that the yarn wouldn't get tight inside the sweater. I think I explained this in one of my videos, I think it was my podcast, but all in all, this part worked better than the last thing I tried. But also, a dilemma that I would say this has is it has so many ends. And I was like, I'm not going to weave in all of these ends. So I decided to, as you can see in this clip, I decided to just tie them all together. Well, I tied 2 yarns together and then I cut the yarns and that's it, okay? I did this like every 10 or so rounds because if I waited to the end of the sweater or the end of the yoke, then there would be too many. So I did that and it actually turned out pretty well. So I'm gonna block it out later when I finish the sweater, see how it is, and then I'll cut that more so that it's not as so that the strings aren't as long. Here, I was just so happy with how it turned out. I was just like, oh my gosh, yes, it turned out so well. So you can see the different color sleeve and a different color body. I love it. Here, I just decided to take a break because I was like, all right, my brain is already hurting from this, so I decided to edit. This is my Chatty Knit With Me. Watching these clips, I'm realizing how long ago I made this vlog and I'm just now getting to actually putting it together, but it's fine, okay? So voiceover me out because real life talking me is about to enter. Okay, bye. Hello. I am almost done with the body. It's like a week and like 4 days later. Let me put this like that. Yeah, you're gonna just see me at an angle right now because I don't feel like putting this on a tripod. So here it is. Wait, where's the front? Oh, right here. So here it is. It's so long. It looks so weird with the sleeves not done, but it's okay because I'm almost done with the ribbing. I have I'm counting my rounds for this so I can like feel motivated. I have 5 more rounds to go before I bite off. Then I can start the sleeve today, which is good because I gave myself until next week, literally 7 days from now. So it's the 7th right now of May, and I gave myself until the 14th to finish it, but I can be done with it by the 11th, which I'm so excited for. Well, I can be done with like the full body, like everything, and then I can do the, what do you call it? The, I forgot the name. Duplicate stitch. Whew. Then I can do the duplicate stitch, and that can take me, if I literally religiously work on this, I can finish it in like 4 days. So I can finish the entire sweater by the 14th. I don't know if I'll finish it in this video, but in this video I will definitely be done with the entire sweater itself. So that is what I'm excited for, and I can't wait to show you guys that. So the next time you see me, I'll be doing the sleeves. I'll probably be done with 1 sleeve, who knows, because I'm not gonna be filming much for this. I just want to get it done. So let's get started. I mean, let's get finished. Yeah, psych, I didn't finish it. I needed a brain break from it. Okay, so I decided to go out with my mom and my sisters. It was a Sunday. It was nice. It was Mother's Day, actually. I didn't realize that until later, but I gave my mom yarn. For my sister and I gave my mom like sweater quantities of yarn. She was just so happy. So, hey, great gift. Anyway, I started a new project. A sock. My sister was working on her beanie, and we just went to this nice Mexican restaurant, and we sat outside for a little bit, and people were going by like, oh my gosh, what are you guys doing? Are you guys knitting, crocheting? I love your hat. My mom's making a shoe. She loves making shoes. It's so cool. But when we were sitting waiting for our food, we didn't have a problem because we had our projects, so all we did was just knit and crochet until our food came. It was so nice and so relaxing, and after we ate, we were so full. We wanted dessert, but we just stopped and sat and chilled and knitted and crocheted until we wanted to get dessert again. But we were sitting here in this walkway, and like people were just staring, but it's fine. It was fun starting a new project because I haven't done a sock in so long. Oh my gosh, so long. This is such a funny clip because I was happy that I finished a sleeve, and my sisters and I were jamming. Malika was on a bed, you can't see her, but we were just jamming to music, and it's just so chill. I'm so glad my sisters knit and crochet just like me, so we can just chill together, do our projects. We decided to go to the park, just Malika and I. We decided to go to the park, enjoy the nice spring vibes, and it was just so great. The weather was so beautiful. And I actually picked up this project again, and I haven't finished the sleeve yet, but I will finish the sleeve, okay? I will, but slowly but surely. Anyway, voiceover me is about to disappear because real me is about to come up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bye! Alrighty guys, this is the end of the vlog because I want to end it here. I have not finished the sweater, but I did say I was not gonna end up finishing this sweater. Also new nails, ooh. Anyway, I finished 1 sleeve. I believe I showed you guys that. This was so fun to do for some reason. I don't know why. But I am on the 2nd sleeve and I am almost done. I have not been knitting on this a lot because the mojo is not there. Okay, I'm trudging through. I want to finish sometime this week, which I will finish it sometime this week. I'm going to work on it a lot today, maybe, or I may crochet something. I'm so excited for what my sisters and I are planning, but yeah, that is all for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was just very chill, very random, and I am excited to start on something new. I started on the baby knit that I plan on making, and I liked that so much. So I took one day out of this past week and I just started on that project, and it was such a great refresher, and I felt motivated to come back to this project. And so I'm like ready to finish this sleeve. I'm not on sleeve island, like I'm not knitting because of the sleeve. I'm just not knitting because of all the plans that I have, and everything is just like in my head, and I'm just so excited to make those. And it's like, oh my gosh, okay, I need to finish this. And so I'm gonna use that urge and finish this sleeve in the next couple days. Hopefully I get most of it done today, and then tomorrow I can finish it, and then I'll have a finished sweater. I still have to do the duplicate stitch on it, but that part is the easiest part to me, so that's not gonna be a problem. Anyway, that is all that I have for you guys in this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new and you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!